talking about something important is how you can use your online presence or your online profile as your resume or as your CV. These days, most people think that the CV is the thing that we only put on paper for us to get the jobs that we want, to get the business connections that we want, or the partnerships that we want. Times have changed so much that, if you're going to send your resume to an organization, they're definitely going to look up your online profile. If you're going to reach out to somebody with something that you want, whether you do it online or you call them, they're definitely going to look on your social media. The thing that you need to have on your social media is a true representation of what you do. So if you're an entrepreneur, I'm an entrepreneur myself. If you go to my profile, if you go on my Instagram, Tato Mondo, if you go on my Facebook, Tato Mondo, I talk about things that I'm working on, whether be it my podcast, whether be it my entertainment business, which is TZB Entertainment, whether be my other, online marketing things that I'll be working on. I talk about it. So when I reach out to people, they'll look at my profile and know what I do. So that's why most of the times I get a lot of responses from different people that I reach out to online. Sometimes I have people reaching out to me, telling me about what they're working on and how they want to collaborate with me. Just because I have my resume set up online, my profile or my picture speaks for themselves on what I do and what I'm working on. So it is important for you to have a good profile online. You can either destroy or make yourself online. By that I mean, you could post stuff that can be damaging to you as a person, or you can post stuff that can build you up as a person and help you get onto the next level. So it is important to have good pictures and a good representation online. Make sure that, if you say you are an engineer, you're showing things that you're doing, the project that you're working on, whatever you're working on, just show it to people. Because social media is so big, you never know who's watching. And social media has made it so easy that we can have access to anybody that we want, whether be it a president, whether be it some multi-millionaire somewhere, some billionaire somewhere, some millionaires, some entrepreneurs, some corporates. It just it just gives you, social media gives everybody access to everybody. So why not take advantage of it and show you and be your best? The same way you write a resume. Sometimes you speak about things that you have no experience on or that you never done. So just make sure that you're on Instagram as well. You're talking about things that you want to become. You might not be there at that time and process, but make sure you're speaking it into existence by talking about it, by speaking about it. I mean, I don't have to go. I have a lot of videos on how you can do it. I also have a podcast, Making It in Africa. Check it out. Available on all platforms. Again, online is now the new resume or your new CV. So make sure everything you do online is representing you in a very great picture or in a nice picture that people want to talk to you, people want to work with you, people want to collaborate with you. That's about it for today, man. It's Tato Mondo. Just make sure you check out my podcast as well, Making It in Africa, as I talk to different entrepreneurs and different people and their life journeys, the mistakes and the good decisions they made along the way. It's a good thing. You will learn a whole lot of things about entrepreneurship and other things in life in general. So just make sure you check it out. So it's Tato Mondo again. I'll keep on posting more content to see if I can help you guys develop and grow as people. And I want to see more people succeeding. As I said, I always want to see more people getting into entrepreneurship, because the more entrepreneurs you have, the less problems that we're going to have in the world. That's about it for today.